Hello, it's Jacqueline, your professional matchmaker with Discover Love Matches. So every single month, we're adding new members. Everybody joins at a different membership level, and I'm always on the hunt to find just the right people to introduce to my private clients. As many of you know that are following our program, there is a list of singles that are on our promotional or gold level, which means the promotional, they've attended an event and I had them fill out a profile so I can tell some private clients about them. Gold level means that they are somebody who is investing in getting more exposure and committed to our year program and are really stepping up. They're featured on our list. There's a whole bunch more I do to make sure that our singles learn about them. Then there are the private matchmaking clients that are at a variety of levels, from silver, VIP, elite, and executive. And those are the people that actually have access to view all of these profiles. If you've been curious and want to explore what we've got going on, make sure you go to discoverlovematches.com. Click the Join Us to learn about becoming a registered member or sign up to attend an event, or better yet, dive in and get the whole entire list and click Matchmaking Programs. This is where I am continually adding new people. Now you'll notice the numbers are always changing because we're finding so many matches. Sometimes it's hard to keep up with how many people find their love to finding new people to add to the list. So we are very excited every time there is a new amazing person. See, in our agency, we actually know our people. So we're not massively signing up these huge quantities of people just to make a quota. We're actually checking out people and getting to know them and having them answer lots of questions. And the more we spend time with them, the more we can promote to each of our private clients. So I'm going to dive in and tell you some neat things about some of our newest members. The important part about Discover Love Matches is privacy. So I'm only going to mention a member ID, and the only way you'd even know what that member ID was is if you have access as a higher level member. But I might be talking about you, or I might spark an interest, and now you're curious about what we have behind the secret door. What I love about my agency that I've taken great pride in is that only higher level people can actually access the profiles. So on a dating app, anybody and everybody, even somebody who paid a little bit, can get on there. I'm more about the person who's genuinely committed to the process. So we want to know about you as the person who wants to either be on our radar or if you would like to find your mystery person. We have an abundance of incredible singles. So I'm going to tell you only a splash because it would take all day to tell you about everybody. But here are some fun details. If you are a female looking for a wonderful man, listen to the next 4 people I have to tell you about. We have got member ID 445-80908. And I love his introduction header. It is just stay positive and happy, work hard, and don't give up hope. Be open to criticism and keep learning. Surround yourself with happy, warm, and genuine people. I met him at one of our recent mingles, and he just had this energy that was very inviting. The ladies were curious about him, and I noticed he was wonderful at interacting and having great conversations with all these new people. And it's tough to show up to an event not knowing anyone, but within a few moments, it looked like he kind of had some new friends. So I think that's what's really neat when you see somebody who's comfortable getting to know new people. Makes it very good for dating. He lives in Portland. He is in his 60s. He's 6 foot, slender, and strong. And the 5 words to describe him is kind, generous, passionate, creative, and playful. Ladies, you got to check this guy out. He is great. Wonderful smile, too. Our next member, we met him at a happy hour recently, and his number is 447-14715. His introduction header is nice guy, professional. He is awesome, super conversational. We all had a great time around the table getting to know him. He's from Portland, Oregon, and the 5 words to describe him is quiet, serious, kind, generous, and sincere. So I think those are great words. He's 5'8". He is in our 60s plus group. He's actually in his 70s, and he has a graduate school education. He has been a EMT, medical, first responder, and physician. Ladies, this is a smart man. He really wants to meet somebody who enjoys horses, hiking, reading, and hey, a bonus if you've been in the medical field. All right, on to our next gentleman. His number is 447-39215. He is ready for the right one. This guy is awesome. The ladies always check him out when we have an event. I've known him over the years, and he has such a wonderful heart, genuine desire to truly find his person. 5 words to describe him is fun, humorous, intelligent, romantic, and a giver. He's got great qualities. He is just such an awesome guy. He kind of even one time sent me a message and said, hey, do you have a businesswoman by day and a hippie by night? On the weekends, I should say. And it's just somebody who really wants to just enjoy life, truly has an open mind, great perspective. He's 6 foot average build. He's in his 40s, and he's awesome. I love it when he's religious and spiritual, honoring all paths to God. So he has a great open mind. And then our next gentleman, I met him at a workshop with another singles lady I coach that is a lady that teaches men how to do awesome dating. So it was really fun. I was super excited when I met him. And his member ID is 44861-361. And he is seeking an intelligent woman with a strong will who wants to enjoy life and laugh lots. That is awesome. And his 5 words is intelligent, curious, humorous, fun, and fit. He has this really great, I mean, he's traveled. We had such a fun time talking with him. He has great questions. He's interactive. Oh, and he lives in Beaverton. He is in his 50s, and he is just really one of those people you want to talk to. He's got a ton of great things he shares in his profile. Like, I can't even dig into it. There's so much good stuff. So make sure you check him out. And he's very genuine. I felt that immediately when I met him. I didn't even know he's part of the group, and I was in line ordering a beer, and I was like, this guy's super genuine. I want to get to know him for my clients. And then he was in the workshop, so I got to know him even better. So check him out. And then for the men looking for the ladies, this gal's great. So her member ID is 445-85068. And I just met her recently in one of our happy hours. She is in her 60s. She loves to hike and exercise, and she does it at least 5 days a week. So she is living her life. She's a healthy, active gal. She has a wonderful smile, and she's just, I love it. I was about to say, she's a passionate woman, and then I could tell right away her 5 words to describe her is passionate, compassionate, adventurous, always learning, empathetic, and humble. She just has a great disposition. She's looking for a real relationship connection. She's 5'8", and gosh, she says, I'm always on the go. I walk a lot with friends. She does her Pilates. She hikes. She loves going to the movies. She loves live music. You know, she's living life. You know, so many times people say, I just want an active person, somebody to make a connection with. So absolutely need to check her out. And then we have our next member, 445-65117. And her intro header is awesome. She's, are you passionate about living life fully? Is fun and creativity important to you? Let's explore the world and each other. She travels internationally. She's gorgeous and cares about giving back to others. And again, she's got the word passionate on hers too. Her 5 words is passionate, smart, funny, compassionate, and giving. She is 5'9", in her 50s, has a master's. She's a healthcare professional. So she's got it all going on and is looking for the person to enjoy after work, after busy hours, and a chance to make some great connections. She's just a sweetheart. You got to check her out. And then our next lady is 445-84234. We met at one of our meetings recently, and she just is so sweet. She has such a great attitude and outlook, and she's just open to what's possible. So I love her intro is looking for a friend that I can call up and say, hey, what are you doing for lunch today? Or how about an antique store in Dundee this weekend? A buddy that enjoys spontaneous adventures. And you know, isn't that what we really want? Somebody just to enjoy, somebody to have a good time with, somebody that we can experience things with without it being complicated and time consuming. Spontaneity is so amazing. So if you're looking for a really good friend and then let it flow where it needs to, this is a lady to check out. Her 5 words is patient, compassionate, calm, diverse, and a gypsy. You know, I've had a lot of guys asking for the gypsy lady, so you want to check her out. She is wonderful. And then we have another member to tell you about. This gal is super cool. Her user ID is 44806822. And she's so cute. Her intro header is, hi, let's see how this goes. Cross your fingers. I love when people can type with some personality. The 5 words to describe her is optimistic, sentimental, creative, intelligent, and authentic. Now, guys, those are totally great qualities you're absolutely looking for. She's in her 30s. She's 5 foot, and she was born and raised in Hawaii. So she's got some cultural variety to share. She has a degree with electrical engineering. She's an electrical engineer at a power utility company. So she's obviously smart too. Can't lose on that one. And she is somebody who loves to go to laser games, concerts, live events, crafting, and game nights. So check her out and get into the program. Make sure you add your profile, at least get on our radar, or become a private matchmaking client, because we have so many more people to tell you about. Our membership ranges from mid-20s to mid-80s, both men and women. We have a great variety, and our numbers change all the time, because the idea of our program is to get you in, get you ready to meet somebody and find your person, and then support you on your journey being with your person. So be ready to jump on it when you see someone you're interested in, because they don't last long in this program. People find their person and they are off and running, and that is the goal. So go to discoverlovematches.com and see how you want to get involved, or attend an event. Have fun getting to know us, and we'll have fun getting to know you too. So we are very excited to support you on your love journey, and we want to be there with you every step of the way. Looking forward to all that you have possible and all that you manifest, because you show up so we can love you up. Talk to you soon.